everyone, welcome to Pillai Center Practice. My name is Gina, my spiritual name is Jay Radha, and I am going to be creating regular videos in 2019 to keep you updated on what's going on at Pillai Center, as well as tips and techniques to keep you on your practice. Because here at Pillai Center Practice, we're all about wanting to help you implement Dr. Pillai's teachings to create a new revolutionary life for yourself. And 2019 has just begun. So where are we right now? We're in the beginning. There is power in the beginning and ending of things. And 2019 brings us a fresh energy. Not because there's a power time occurring or anything to that effect, but because we say so. The beginning of the year is a time where people are setting new goals, resolutions, they're starting new, trying to repattern their thoughts and create new objectives, new goals for themselves. And what that means is that when you're tapping into the psychic energy of everyone around you, you then get excited about it. So I'm here to invite you to get excited about it. Ride that wave that the others in your town, your state, your country, the world are creating from this new energy, this new vibe of the new year. So let's do that. But then what tends to happen after the new year as weeks go by and perhaps people are not implementing the intentions, the goals, the resolutions that they had for themselves, they may fall back into depression or apathy or disappointment in themselves, but we don't want to do that, right? What you want to do is set yourself up so that your practice becomes something you commit to on a regular basis. And that could be your spiritual practice, your goal setting, your intentions, your dreaming up a new life, the things you want to create. And that can be fun. Don't let it become work, because then we don't do the work. Every day you can be thinking of, what do you want your new life to be? How do you want to feel in this year? What do you want to experience? What type of people do you want to surround yourself with? Let that be an exciting and fun daydream type of practice that you put into place. And that could be done anytime you have downtime where you don't have to be thinking about something else. On your way to and from work, doing chores around the house, whatever that is where you can set your mind on something else other than what you're physically doing, this is a perfect time to implement the daydreaming technique, I like to call it. It's fun and it literally reworks your brain to be thinking about how you want your new life to be. And as you're rewiring the brain and the connections and recreating your neuroplasticity, you're allowing yourself then to think more about it. So for the first step of 2019, let's make it easy and fun and set yourself up for success by implementing one technique, and that is the daydreaming technique. Every day, at least for just a few minutes a day, dream up what you want to feel like this year, who you want to be, who you want to surround yourself with, what your hell looks like, right? So just dream that up. Don't be shy. Make sure it's relatable, something that's not so completely outlandish you yourself don't believe it. It has to be believable by you. And let that be your practice this week. So as we start 2019, let's implement one thing from maybe the long lists of resolutions and goals and intentions that you created last week in the beginning of the year. And then I'd like to see how you're doing. So please post below this video your feedback. How's it going for you? Also, since we will be doing regular videos, what else do you want to learn? What do you want to hear about from Pillai Center, from me, from other teachers that we can deliver to you this year? Because one of my intentions, one of my goals is to give back more to the community, to Pillai Center community, and help the students who are there, you all, and myself included, we're on this path to make a better life for ourselves and for others. And how are we going to do that this year? So let's be committed to our service to the planet. And Pillai Center certainly is, and I am, and this is my commitment to you of what we're going to co-create in 2019. So let's create big dreams and let's put them into practice, and let me know how it goes. I'll talk to you soon. Namaste.